So I got it hooked up, got the relay board, Raspberry Pi, wires connected to the garage door opener. Here you go. Alexa, trigger garage door.
Sending that to IFT.
So it'll open. Alexa, trigger garage door.
Sending that to IFT.
Close. Once I have a sensor for the Raspberry Pi in the mail, a magnetic switch to show that it's open or closed. Once that gets here, I'll be able to change the trigger to make sure it's open or closed. And I could also do this. Rob, this one's for you. Alexa, trigger open garage a bit.
Sending that to IFT.
So I programmed it just to run for a second and a half, just to open it a little bit. It can be done.